Morning, everyone. It's Anthony, Wall Street Trader. This is 9:05 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, May 23rd, 2021. Really quickly. All right, listen. Today, this morning, if you woke up and you looked at your Coinbase or whatever it is you're looking at to track your investments, if you are in altcoins, you are probably saying to yourself, I am getting decimated. All right, so a couple things I just want to just make sure everyone understands this, and I have to beat this in everyone's head. Look, I am sympathetic and empathetic with everything going on in the market and the emotions flying. But this video here is not financial advice. I continue to say it. I just want to make sure everyone understands this because some of you have money, a lot of money, some of you have no money, and some of you are somewhere in the middle. Look, I don't know any of you from Jack, but at the same time, I care about you because I care about everyone in the investment community as if they were one of my own, because I'm in the same boat with most of you. So just make sure that whatever money you're planning to invest in, whatever it is, just understand that the money you invest should be the money you expect to lose, right? I say that meaning tongue in cheek. We don't expect to lose it, but but meaning that if you lost it tomorrow, would you be okay? Don't put your money into something where you're going to need that money like in the near future or even in the distant future. You should not be putting any money into anything that you can't lose. So please understand that. And this is why I go ridiculous on this disclaimer here, because I really do care about all of you. And I just don't know where you're all at. If I was speaking to my friend and he had, $5,000 in his back pocket, and he could just chuck it into the altcoin market and lose it and be okay and wake up the next day, well, good for him. That's his risk profile. But for people that need to live and whatever, this is not the kind of investment you want to be in if you need the money. So please be very careful with this stuff. It is a speculative investment. I am not a financial advisor. So, I just watch these markets and have been doing so for many years. So anyway, whatever. Let's just get into like the markets quickly. Look, I myself on this investment am down 50%. There are plenty of other investments out there, that are doing well, say in the stock markets and whatnot. The altcoin market today, at this moment in time, is doing terrible. We've seen it get roiled. So, let's just go into what's going on. As of right now, the relative strength of most cryptos at 9:08 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. An example of a relative strength of most cryptos is the NuCypher Bitcoin pair. We've talked about this ad nauseum. This has fallen more than Bitcoin itself. Almost every single one, if not every one, all of them. Every cryptocurrency strength to Bitcoin has fallen more than Bitcoin itself. So, for example, if NuCypher is down 21%, this was as of 8:51 this morning, so it was early. So NuCypher US dollar is down 21%. And what did I say? This is equal to this multiplied by this, right? So basically 9% down, 13% down. So what does that mean? NuCypher Bitcoin went down more than Bitcoin itself, meaning it went down 13% and Bitcoin went down 9%. So this thing goes down 20-something%, right? That's how we do the math. So let's move into the market because the market is really just taking a beating today. Altcoins are getting completely decimated right now. NuCypher is down 25%. Look, we're still in this baby wedge, and I have to pull up Bitcoin because this is the biggest offender. This has been creating the fear that has been driving the altcoin market. And the altcoin market, if you see here, this relative strength is driven by the fear going on in Bitcoin, which is trickling into the altcoin market. The altcoin market is primarily retail investors. See very few institutions buying up altcoins, but you will see them buying Bitcoin. So them dumping Bitcoin is creating fear in the retail environment in the altcoin space because most of altcoin is driven by retail. So all of the FOMO and all of the FUD is all happening within, sorry, not FOMO, FUD. All the FUD is happening within the altcoin space as we speak. So if we go over here, we're at 33,000. Look, we're still respecting this wedge. I don't know when, I don't know how, but I'm anticipating at some point after we get down to a certain max pain, and it could be back down to the JP Morgan level, which was down here at 30. We're actually 29 and change. If we get back down here, I'd like, I'm hoping we get through this whole thing and we double bottom out here and we move on, right? We've seen, a few times double bottoming means that, we can see a big giant rally. So let's see what happens here. And, if you're, do not put money into this investment or even double down. If you need that money, do not put your money into this investment. I can't stress that hard enough. I mean, I hear so many people on other chats and whatnot that are like, just destroyed. Don't put any money that you can't lose into NuCypher or any altcoin investment. And that is fact. Anyway, so keep your eye on this. I'll tweet out as we go forward, and we'll talk later tonight. All right.